Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Bahawal Sumro. So, as in my previous lecture, I discussed root words. So, in that lecture, I discussed 6 root words. So, let us continue. The next word is side. Side means kill or murder. So, see here, infanticide. Infant means child. Infanticide means to kill a child or to murder a child. Next word is uxoricide. Uxori means wife. A person who kills his wife. So what he is doing actually? He is uxoriciding. Patricide, patri actually it is father. So patricide means a person who kills his father. Matri means mother. So a person who kills his mother, that is matricide. Fratricide. Fratri means brother. So a person who kills his brother, that is to fratricide. Then next word is amble. Amble means walk or move. Amble. So amble, to walk or move slowly. Ambulant, walking or moving. Ambulance. Ambulance is a vehicle that moves a patient from one place to another place. The next word is anim. Anim means life or spirit. So animal, anim means life. So animal means a living organism, a living thing. Animate, to make alive. Like we have animated movies. So in that actually the people who the actors, actresses are there, they are not living things, but we make them alive. Equanimity means of balanced spirit. The next word is auto. Auto means self, same or one. So you will find so many words like this. Autocrat, a person who governs with absolute power, means there is one person. Autograph, a person's own signature. Automatic, moving by itself. Okay, so these are the words that we come across in our daily life. So it is necessary to understand these root words so that we will be able to understand so many things easily. So the next word is bene. Bene means good or well. So the words you find bene in that one, that will give meaning of good or well. Okay, before I explain this one, I want to ask you that it is necessary for all of you to know or to cram the meaning of these root words. Once you remember the meaning of these root words, so in future whenever you will find words in that such kind of root words are used, it will be very easy for you to understand. Okay, so sometimes we need to understand the things, sometimes we need to cram basic things, so that when it comes to advanced level or practical understanding, we will be able to understand all these things. So bene means good or well. So benefactor, so a person who gives money to a cause, so he is doing something better one, a good one. Beneficial, beneficial means producing a good effect, to get a good result. Benevolent, benevolent means showing kindness or goodwill. Then the word is cert. Cert means sure, like you say certainly, certify, certain, ascertain. So like ascertain means to find out something with certainty. Certain means being absolutely sure. Certify, to state that something is true. The next word is counter. Counter means opposite or contrary, like counter act, any act or to oppose the effects of an action. Okay, there is action, there is one act, so you, what you do, you go opposite to that one. Countermand means to cancel a previous order, like command to order somebody. So countermand means to cancel, counter means to go against previous order or command. Counter offensive, so offensive, attack against an attack. Then we have cred. Cred means believe. See, credence. Credence, believe that something is true or valid. Then we have word credulous. Credulous, cred. A person is a person who believes very easily, who believes the things too fast or too easily. Then we have, see, incredible. Last time I told you in means not. So credible, believable thing. Credit, cred. Cred means believe. Able, credible means believable. Incredible means unbelievable. So see here, this is prefix, IBLE, this is suffix, and cred, this one is a root word. So in the very first lecture I also discussed affixes. So these are the basic things you should know, meaning of all these affixes as well as root words, so that you can survive easily. The next word is crypto. Crypto means hidden or secret. Like we have, cryptocurrency. So the currency is hidden, that is a secret. So cryptic. Cryptic means a hidden meaning. Cryptography, a science of secret codes. Then we have encryptic, encode into secret code. So whenever you find the word crypto or crypt in any word, so that will give you meaning of somehow secret or somehow hidden. Then we have cycle. Cycle means circle or ring. Like we have bicycle. Bi means two. Okay. A cycle with two circles means two wheels. Cyclone. Cyclone is a storm with circling winds. So in cyclone you might have observed that the wind goes in a circle way. The next word is dict. Dict means speak, to say something, to tell. So like we say contradict. So let us divide the word into two parts. Contra means opposite of, against. Dict means speak. So to express something opposite of something. Prediction. So dict is also there, means to speak, to tell something in advance. Pre means before. So to tell something in advance that this thing will happen in coming days. Dictate. So dictate, actually it is to speak loudly for other person to write down. Like mostly there is a dictation. The teacher does dictation in the class. What he does in the class, he speaks words or sentences loudly. Students, they listen and then they write down whatever teacher is speaking or dictating. Next one is domin. Domin means master, to dominate, to have power on other person. So dominate, to have a power. Domineering. Domineering means excessively controlling someone or somebody, something. Predominate. Predominate, to have more powers than others. Ethno. Ethno means race or people. So we have ethnic. Ethnic means related to the people, group of people or a particular race. Then we have ethnocentric, focusing on ethnicity of people, focusing on background knowledge of the people, that to which group or race they belong to. We have ethnology. So last time I told you logy means study. So ethnology means study of race or people. So science of race, that is known as ethnology. The last word is funct. Funct means perform or work, like function. So anything that is in working condition or works, that has, we say it is functioning, means it is working. Defunct. D means not, so no longer working or alive, not functioning. Similarly, we have malfunction. Mal means fail, so malfunction means fail to perform or fail to work. Once again, let me revise that these root words are most important to know meaning of different words while reading text, article or newspaper or any book. So once again I suggest go through them repeatedly. The first step is to understand the meaning or to cram the meaning of those basic words, and then you will be able to guess meaning of new or unknown words. Okay. There is also another lecture I have shared on YouTube, that is understanding meaning without using dictionary. So over there I have shared 6 ways to understand or to guess the meaning of the word from the sentence. We call them as contextual clues. So this is also necessary for you to go through it, understand it, that how can we guess meaning of new or unknown words used in the sentence. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.